Hi, my love. Nung nakilala kita, in denial ako na it was love at first sight. Akala ko nadali lang ako sa shake hands mo. But as time goes by na nakilala kita, at dahil na rin sa pang-aasar ng mga ka-office mates natin, na-realize ko na, o nga, bet nga kita. Dahil sa unexplainable sense of humor mo, I slowly fell in love with you.
You gotta know how much I want you. 'Cause I want you. You gotta know how much I want you.
Ganda no, sir!
Almost 8 years ago, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na sa isang simple handshake from a telephone call would lead us here to forever. Masaya ako dahil binigay ka ni God sa buhay ko sa tamang oras at tamang panahon. Ikaw ang sandalan ko, kasama ko, kaaway ko, kakampi ko, at kachismisan ko. From the moment I met you, my life became so much better.
You gotta know how much I want you. 'Cause I want you. You gotta know how much I want you. 'Cause I know you want me deep.
Your laugh, your smile, your kakulitan at yung mga masasarap mong lutong pagkain make everyday so much easier. Yung mga araw na mahirap dumadali, yung mga sandaling malungkot sumasaya, at yung mga panahong mabigat gumagaan. I am very thankful because we didn't just grow together, we grew into each other. And even on days when life got heavy, your presence always felt like home.
Take it. She gives you her heart, don't you break it. Let your arms be a place she feels safe in. She's the best thing that you'll ever have.
Araw-araw, unti-unti mo pinaparamdam sa akin yung pagmamahal na dati akala ko hindi ko mararanasan. Tinanggap mo kung sino ako, kahit ang dami kong red flags, ang dami kong flaws. You filled the hole in my heart with happiness and laughter. Something na hindi ko naranasan bago kita nakilala. For more than 7 years, our love, our faith, our patience, and commitment was tested in all sorts of things. But despite all of that, pinili natin na mahalin ng isa't isa.
Take it. If she gives you her heart, don't you break it. Let your arms be a place she feels safe in. She's the best thing that you'll ever have. She'll love you if you love her on days when it feels like the whole world might cave in. Stand side by side and you'll make it. She's the best thing that you'll ever have. She'll love you if you love her like that.
Now that we are finally choosing a lifetime subscription, wala na tayong choice kundi tiisin isa't isa eh. Pero kahit anong mangyari, hindi ako mapapagod sa'yo. Not because I got no choice, but because it's part of my commitment. Simula ngayon, ako ay sa'yo.
Take it. If she gives you her heart, don't you break it. Let your arms be a place she feels safe in. She's the best thing that you'll ever have. She'll love you if you love her on days when it feels like the whole world might cave in. Stand side by side and you'll make it. She's the best thing that you'll
start of a real fairy tale. Something that I have been dreaming since I met you. The most awaited chapter of our lives. As we start this forever, I prayed to God na i-guide niya tayo throughout this journey and may He be present with us every day. Love, paulit-ulit ko to sinasabi, but this time, it's different. I love you so very much, and I can't wait for the next days of our lives together. Forever.
Don't be scared.
Salamat dahil nanatili ka sa tabi ko sa kabila ng mga pagsubok natin. Salamat dahil palagi kang nandyan, umaalalay at sumusuporta. Salamat sa lahat ng pagmamahal na binibigay mo sa akin. Higit sa lahat, salamat sa sobrang haba ng pasensya mo sa akin. I love you because you've shown me what patience looks like, what kindness feels like, and what love really means. You are the most beautiful person in the world, inside and out. I always thank God that I get to call you.
I wanna hold you closer. I wanna feel some kind of home. I want a real love. I want a real love. I want it all or nothing. I wanna live for something. I want a real love. I want a real love.
Love, today I give you my heart, not because I'm supposed to, but because you've earned it in every way.
I want nothing.
You are my answered prayer, my partner, and my home. And for the rest of my life, I will choose you. In every season, in every version of us, in every lifetime.
I want nothing but a real love. I want nothing. I want nothing. I want nothing but a real love.
Gianmarco, Yumino Peace,